good Sunday afternoon, everybody. This is Dave, and we're out on our e-bike ride today. We're going to take a little ride around the loop here, the first loop. I think it's about a mile or so. Beautiful day afternoon after a very chilly overnight. I think last night when I got up to go to the bathroom a couple of times, I could see my breath. And it was fairly chilly by sunrise. But now it's pretty close to 84 degrees, I think. So it's warmed up pretty nice. So I've never been on this path, so I don't know what the condition is. I've seen some horseback riders this morning coming past the campsite. And just to the right here, where we had set up our trail camp last night, there's a couple people walking down. We set up a trail cam there and we had 2 bears. First time I caught bears on trail cam. But it's a little after 3 o'clock right now, and we're going to take this ride around town, around the Sunny Hill Restoration Area. of going out in the open where there's no shade. Big horse pile. This way. We'll have a nice barbecue tonight. There's our tent. So we made the complete loop going around. We'll see what the total is here for miles. I'm kind of thinking it was like 2 miles or so. There's our setup. $161 and oh, it's about 4 miles. 4 miles we went, which ain't too good for the battery. Battery's down to 2 bars, so. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for this little loop, and we'll catch you on the next one. You guys have a good day. Adios.